In this video, we will look at how to vote the proposal on Type 2 rewards. Coming right up. So a little general information first. This governance vote, the second one, is a proposal on doubling the daily reward for Type 2 sensors. So that means that in a Tier 1, a leading Type 2 sensor will get 30.7 planets instead of 15.4 as maximum reward. In a Tier 2, we will get 20.6 instead of 10.3. This vote will end on July 29th, so hurry. It is clear to me that this proposal comes right before the Type 2 launch in order to motivate people to buy the sensor and grow the network. We do know that the growth of the sensor network is the key to long-term success of this project, so I will vote yes. Now let's see how to vote. First of all, we need to have the latest PlanetWatch app version on our phone. On Android, go to Play Store, tap on your profile, Manage Apps and Devices, Manage Updates Available, and look for the PlanetWatch app. If you see it here, you need to select it and tap on the update button. If you don't see it here, it means that you have the latest version. On iOS, go to App Store, tap on your profile, and scroll down to your available updates. If you see it here, tap on the update button next to it. If you don't see it in this list, you have the latest version, so you are good to go. Now open the app and log in. Before making the vote, make sure that you have loaded a wallet that has at least 0.2 algos in it for the blockchain operations needed for the vote. If you don't have one loaded that meets this condition, tap on the plus button and recover passphrase. Assign it a name and input the 25 words passphrase of that wallet. Now for the vote itself, tap on the sensors and you will find the vote button in the top part of the screen. Tap on it, I want to participate, select a wallet that qualifies, and tap on proceed. A pop-up will show you your voting tokens and tap on proceed to get these tokens in your wallet. Once the transfer is completed, you will have the option to cast your vote. Vote yes for the reward increase and vote no if you want the rewards for Type 2 to stay the same. Like I said before, I will go with yes for my vote. Tap proceed and your vote is cast. You can see the results so far. At the moment of the recording is at 72% in favor of increasing the Type 2 reward. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned. Until next time, see ya!